Valerie, we're now at a very special part of the London Quilters exhibition, which commemorates World War I in some way. We put it up a few weeks before the main exhibition, and the members who took part made a small quilt with some aspect of World War I in mind. Some had relatives that were in the war, others were thinking of the poppies, and it's a very evocative and memorable part of the exhibition, so it should not be missed.
Series of delightful little quilts, really.
Yes.
So you've got one by Lynn Fry, who's got Auckland, Gallipoli and the song.
This is in memory of Harry Alexander MacKillop, which I assume he must have been a relation. And more poppies. This is looks like it's stenciled on.
Yeah, so
soldiers
maybe
marching.
decolorant there. Yeah,
that's right. But everything means something about the war. Here, this is by Lucy Polinieska. Oh, this is an interesting one. World War I grandfathers. My two grandfathers fought on opposite sides in World War I. Both were injured but survived. My German grandfather was very proud of his war service, but this counted for nothing with the Nazi government, and he was killed at Auschwitz.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Margaret Scully Hill.
And of course, poppy's very evocative symbol.
Yep. And Jackie Oldham flags from the British Empire. This one I really like with the gravestones. If you ever go through France and see those cemeteries. Yeah. Flanders Fields. This is in memory of Diane Darrer's Uncle Joe. Here's a piece by Isabel Field, Janet Beck with the barbed wire, and more barbed wire by Kath McMahon. And then lots more poppies. And all of these quilts are by Sabby Westerby.
And how long will this exhibition be on
It'll
display?
be up for the remainder of the London Quilters exhibition.
So until early January 2015.
That's right.
Yeah.
So commemoration of World War I.